Good morning. We're all heading towards Halloween. We're all getting excited for Halloween, so I thought that I would make the beautiful Mint Choc Chip Frappe. And here it is. If you want to have a go at this, there we go. Really kind of old school Costa Mint Choc Chip Frappe. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so your Mint Choc Chip Frappe kit list. Let's get a start with this then. First of all, you're going to need whole milk and your double cream. Your double cream's for the topping. And then we're going to need some frappe powder. That just binds everything together and thickens. And we're going to need a creamer. So here we need the creamer and the gas, and obviously the double cream to go in it. You're going to need your frappe glass, your travel glass, or whatever it is that you're putting your final product into. You're going to need some chocolate chips. I'm going to need some mint syrup, so I've gone for this green mint syrup here. Okay, and the blender. So this one's a Tefal and it's Blend Force. Doesn't let me down. It's a really good little blender. It's £25 at Tesco's. Great deal. The other thing that you're going to need, which I haven't got out yet, is chocolate sauce and ice. So I'm going to show you now how to put the creamer together. Really easy. Just make sure that the seal is in the bottom of the head. You need your top. If you don't have the seal in, basically you end up wearing the cream, which is not ideal. You've got a maximum fill line, which is there, so I'm going to fill it. Okay, that takes me to the top. Put the head. Cream in my hands now. Get rid of that. I always give it a good twist just to make sure, and then I need the top. So here we go. So that's where you put your gas canister, and basically it just screws onto the back here. There we go. Give it a shake. And I'm going to give it a test. Show it in. Here we go. I've just got a bowl. There we go. Cream's ready to go. So what I'm going to do is going to pop that cream back in the fridge just for a few minutes, just to chill it down a little bit, and then we're good to go. So we're ready to go now with the main mix. I've got ice, which I'm going to put straight into the blender now. I'll bring the blender closer. I've got the frappe powder, which I'm going to put in. I've got milk, so here we are. Around about just under half. There, as you can see. Pour that in. And because I don't want to completely obliterate the chocolate chips, I'm going to blend the frappe mix first, and then we're going to add these and just pulse them through. Okay. Sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go with 4, maybe one more because we're Halloween. 5. Lid. And then we're going to blend. So I'm going to pulse it through when I put the chocolate chips on after, but for now I'm going to knock it onto number 1, let it blend through. I know that number one, slightly slower, but it seems to really chop the ice much better. Up a little bit. Okay. Nice Kermit the Frog green. Add the chocolate chips. As many or as little as you want. Might as well. So I'm going to use the pulse function. I'm going to take it off, give it a shake. Shake the chips around. And then another little shake. On a commercial blender that would just straight away start to pulse those chocolate chips through, but obviously this is a domestic appliance, so we just need to take that little bit more care. The shake. That looks good for me. Let me know what you think in your comments. Okay, so we're going to pour the mix. Just to add a little bit more glamour, we're going to put in some chocolate sauce, just drizzle it round in a zigzag pattern around the glass. Making it really fancy. And then we'll add the mix. See those lovely chocolate chips? There we go. Give it a shake, level it off, there we are. Perfect. I'm going to put the lid on just in case. I don't like wearing frappe mix. You can see that looks amazing. I don't know whether you can see the chocolate chips and everything in there. Yeah, really good. Straight into the cream, and then we're going to dress the top. Starting on the outside, I can make my way round, around and round and round. There we go. Beautiful cream topping, and then a few chocolate chips on the top. There we go. And as well, I've got some hundreds and thousands just to add. And we're going to add the straw. Beautiful. And we're going in for the grand tour. Amazing. Perfect Halloween drink. Okay, so straight in for the taste test. There we go. Oh yeah. I love that. I love the crunchiness of the chocolate. I love the flavour of mint. I like the cream on top. I like the consistency. I like everything about it. I could drink them all day. Amazing. So I'd really love you to have a go at making your own chocolate chip mint frappe at home. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. If you want to make it with alternative milk, let me know how that goes too. It'd be great to see as well in with a light whip or a vegan cream or the Oatly cream on top. That would be amazing. So give it a go. Send me a comment. Let me know how it went. Give us a like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. Thank you so much for watching.